Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dart and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 10, B is 34, C is 114 and D is 228. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic. Here we will discuss BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic. So step number one is you have to solve first the bracket. If your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three, you have to solve the division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So here we have 8 minus 5. We have to solve this one. 10 plus 40 divided by 5 multiply and 8 minus 5 equals 3. And here we have to give the reference 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now we have to go for step number 2, which is exponent part or order of operation. But in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward for division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go for left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 10 plus 40 divided by 5. We have to solve this part for 40 divided by 5. So we will divide these terms and get the answer is 8. Multiply by 3. And here we have to give the reference 40 divided by 5 equals to 8. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 8 multiplied by 3. Is 10 plus 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24. And here we have give the reference 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24. So now we have two terms. We will add both of them and get the answer is 34. So the answer of the given expression is 34. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah.